Guys, this is Helen. I'm from Hangzhou Longwing Company. This video is for all the girls who like to do the makeup, because what I'm going to bring up is a makeup storage bag. We have 4 colors for you to choose from. As you can see, it has a large capacity. You can put brushes, foundation, concealer, facial soap, and facial cream in the bag. The room inside the bag can fit 90% of your makeup routine. And also it got double sides, so if you flip down, you can see it's a section for the brushes. And it's very easy to carry everywhere if you go a business trip. If you go out, travel, you can bring it and not takes so much space. Alright, that's it. Thank you. See you next time.